ready? My name is Rose Faith. Welcome to Actualize 60-second drill, and today it's gonna be on creativity. Welcome,
Right.
Dr. C.
Let's do this.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Whew, our timer starts now. Why creativity? Go.
Creativity helps you to solve issues looking from different perspectives.
Nice.
Tell your wife I love you using emojis.
Bruh.
I don't know how to use emojis to show you I love you, so I guess it's the face. Smile.
Huh? What?
Lemons or mango?
Mangoes.
What?
Sweet with salt.
Nice.
Ooh, sweet with salt.
Sweet and salt.
How to foster creativity?
Surround yourself with the right community.
Wow.
What does creativity mean to you?
Thinking outside the norm.
Winter or summer?
Summer.
Why?
Because I live in Texas.
No. Time is up. You did so well.
I did okay, right?
Yes, you answered all the questions.
Awesome.
That was really good.
Awesome.
So, see you on the next segment.
Awesome. See you then.
Stay tuned, like, comment, share, subscribe, even share more ideas. Stay tuned. Thank you guys. Bye.